अस्किन रुक जाएंगे
So the flight anchor is good unit, and looking over the you will see
We recommend that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened in case of any unexpected turbulence. Please be reminded that this is a non-smoking flight and the use of electronic cigarettes is strictly prohibited. The cabin service director for this flight. We will be shortly serving you dinner.
At this time, we'd like to call your attention to the screen illustrated cargo to find located in C-1 in front of you. This cargo contains important information on the location and the operation of our passengers have been
Battling with further.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we have your attention please? This announcement is for passengers traveling on board flight FZ437 to Ahmedabad. We regret to inform you that the gate of your flight has been changed. Your flight will now depart from gate F9. Please keep your boarding pass with presentation.
Please hold on to the umbrella at all times for your own safety. Hands are up outside mode station.
Yeah, sure. Like maybe some special soft cloth as well. What? No, sorry.